In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Oracle card decks using Canva. We'll walk through the exact setup, design choices, and export settings so your cards look polished and print. Ready? Start by opening Canva and selecting Create a Design. Then Custom Size. Set your units to inches and enter 2.75 by 4.75 inches, which is a common Oracle card size. If your printer or manufacturer uses a different size, you can adjust these numbers now so everything lines up later. Before you begin designing, go to File, then Settings, and turn on Show Rulers and Guides. Show Print Bleed and Show Margins. These visual helpers are essential. The bleed ensures artwork extends beyond the edge for clean trimming, and the margins indicate a safe zone so your text won't be clipped. Keep important content inside that margin line. From the design screen, use the template search bar and type Oracle card. You can start with a pre-designed template to speed things up, or create your own layout from scratch. Templates are great for inspiration and consistent spacing, but feel free to customize colors, typography, and imagery to match your theme. Open the Elements tab to find graphics, photos, and frames that complement your deck's mood. You can add shapes for borders or use frames to crop images creatively. Add text boxes for card names or keywords. And make sure your font size is readable, at least size 9 for small print. Aim for strong contrast between text and background for clarity, and use 1 or 2 fonts consistently for a cohesive look. Create a separate page for the card back. This is where you'll place a logo, emblem, or pattern design. Keep it high resolution and centered. And avoid borders that sit too close to the edges, as tiny shifts during trimming can make them look uneven. To keep the deck consistent, design one solid master card front, then duplicate the page. Swap out the central imagery and edit the title or keywords, but keep alignment, margins, and type styles the same. This approach makes your deck feel unified and saves time. When you are ready to print, click Share. Then Download. Choose PDF print as the file type. Check crop marks and bleed, so your printer knows exactly where to trim. And turn on Flatten PDF to reduce font and layer issues. Review your PDF to confirm edges, margins, and text clarity before sending it to print. That's it. Thanks for watching.